Hello guys, how we doing? So today we're gonna see our Master Tags gift cards. I have made a previous video on how to make them. So today I'm gonna unbox 15 of one pack. So today we're gonna unbox them. So first we got Italy, which is Chiesa. Then England, Stones. I think Ivory Coast, Mike. And then France, Kante, Messi, Milan, Lampard. Brazil, Ramirez. England, Antonio. Brazil, Rodrigo. England, Harry Kane. And these are special cards. So first we got Vinny Jr., which is kind of good. And Mohamed Salah, that is really good. Paris Saint-Germain, Kylian Mbappe, which is alright. The Death Wish, which is Gareth Bale, okay. The Purple Gold, which is Ronaldo, oh, that is very good. And then India, Shanghai. So, thank you for watching, guys. And this is our video. There's loads of them like this. And remember to watch our previous video if you haven't watched them. So, thank you for subscribing and liking. Thank you. Bye.